Welcome to Sketchbox March art subscription box. This is also my very first sketchbox. Inside there's a teeny 4x6 sketchbook meant specifically for markers with thick bright white smooth coated paper. Next thing I'm extracting from the box is the artist card whose art is created with the supplies in the box. Then we finally get to the list of materials and each is accompanied by the retail price, so when it all adds up, the total value of the box adds up to $48.52. Now the Sketchbox Premium box is $35 and the shipping is $5 for me, so I think I got the value for the money. Then we have the two Copic markers, they're both dual tip. We have two richly colored Spectra alcohol markers, the color wine and walnut. Then we have the Sketchbox marker sticker. Very nice texture on this sticker. It's vinyl, not paper. Then we have the Marabou marker set. It's a Sketchbox exclusive. It comes with two dual tip permanent markers, three dual tip alcohol based markers, and a blender to help achieve subtle gradients. Now, the last time I remember playing with markers was in my childhood, so this is not an art tutorial. But I still hope that maybe you'll get some sort of inspiration or entertainment from it. So for today's creation, I thought I'd do a bit of character design for my OC Phoebe. You might not know what an OC is, and that's okay. I only know because my daughter Bongo Kitten, check out her YouTube channel, has been challenging me to work on my original character. Between you and me, I think she just likes to get me out of my comfort zone and suffer. So here I am, practicing the basics for building a face. An alien face in this case. I'm just doing a quick sketch in pencil to be sure of my shapes before I commit to a permanent mark on paper. And you might see more of Phoebe in the following videos. I have to admit, I still constantly get that blank page anxiety, and I think it's probably because I don't draw and sketch as much as I should, especially characters and animals and these things that I seem to struggle with. Especially to sit down and do the composition, sketching and character design part, that's the hardest for me. But once I get into the flow of it, 3 hours later, I'm totally absorbed and I don't want to get up to make dinner for my family. So anyway, like I've mentioned in the Art Snacks video creation from a couple of weeks ago, check it out in the cards at the end of this video. I'm just getting started with the concept of the Lunar Mystery Art Box. And I have a couple more box brands to try out this month, so stay tuned for some exciting to come videos if you're enjoying this one. Also, there's a like button down there if you're having a good time on my channel. Watching my work right now as I am talking, I realized that I could have done some more blending and layering of the colors, but as I said, this is like the first time that I've been using markers for a long time, so I'll experiment with them some more and it's fun to play. All in all, I'd give Sketchbox a 5 out of 5 for the amount and quality of materials. So if you want to give it a try, there's a link in the description below for you. If there's any art material that you are wondering about, you can leave me a comment and I may do a review for you in the upcoming videos. If you've been around on my channel for a while, you might hear an improvement in my audio. So for that, I want to give a huge shout out to my YouTube friend, Blakeford Stoller. Check out his channel on songwriting, storytelling, and social media. I think you'll have a good time on his channel. Oh, thanks so much for stopping by, and I sure do hope that you got some value out of this video. Until next time, my artful friend, pick up some art materials and get into that creative flow yourself. It'll make your life so much better. TTFN. Ta-ta for now.